Hi, and welcome to another video with voiceaiwrapper. For those who are new to this, we are a platform that allows businesses and agencies to connect multiple voice API providers like ElevenLabs or VAPI or even a Retell and create custom dashboards, white label those voice API services and resell to clients. Now, one of the questions that we get asked a lot is how are my client portals going to look like, right? So I thought about creating this video to show you exactly how your client portal can look like once you set it up with voiceaiwrapper. So first, the our platform is a creators platform, which means what shows up on your client portal totally depends on you, and you can be very creative about what kind of assets you want to add. You have full control over the type of visibility you want to give to your client accounts, so on and so forth. But the purpose of this demo is to give you a glimpse into what all you can do, and then it's up to your creativity to design and customize your portal to match your brand. Yeah. So right in front of you is a dummy client account that I've set up in my demo account. As you can see, this client portal has my custom URL, right? It also has a chat widget. So I've added a chat widget where clients can reach out to me for support. So this, remember, this is an enactment of an agency, which means assuming that I'm a agency, how would my portal look like if I were to offer my portal to my clients under my brand? So this support widget you see here is my support widget, which means my agency clients, if they need help, they can use the completely white label support widget to seek help if they need help from the agency. Then I have the client dashboard here, wherein my clients can see their overall account stats. There's clear indication on what their billing looks like, the number of calls, and all of the information that they need to see at a glance. They can also go into the data for different inbound and outbound agents that are running in the account. Then I have given them visibility to the assistants that I have synced from my voice API provider. Again, you have full control over this access. I have given them access to the phone numbers that I've synced for their account. I've given them access to the campaigns, the inbound and outbound campaigns that I've created for them. And then if my clients have questions, I've also created this simple FAQ page. It's very easy. You can create it on, let's say, a Lovable or any other AI-based website builder. And I've enabled a FAQ page. And should they, if they want to learn more about my company, I've also added a About Us page, which basically takes my clients to my so-called company page. Yeah. So these are some things that you can set up within your client portal. So I'll show you how the journey looks like right from beginning to end and how all of this is configured inside voiceaiwrapper. So let's go through the first time client onboarding journey. Okay, so now let's take a quick look at how I've set up this client portal using voiceaiwrapper. The first thing that I've done is under Voice AI pods, I've connected a voice API provider. In my case, I'm using an example with VAPI. You can also connect Retell or ElevenLabs, and there are a bunch of other providers that we're going to integrate with. Once I'm done connecting this, I've gone to my client portal. I've added my subdomain. Yeah, I've added my logo. So this is the logo which is supposed to show up on my client portal, and this is the subdomain that I've added. So all my clients, when someone goes to voice.alphaqualify.com, that's my domain. Then this entire voice AI thing is supposed to load on this domain, as easy as that. And they're supposed to see this logo. They're going to see the brand name called AI Agency because I've added that. I've also added a support widget. In my case, I've just taken voiceaiwrapper also allows you to create white label widgets, voice widgets. So I've just created a widget and embedded the code. You can add a Zendesk or an Intercom or any support chatbot embed code, and this basically goes into your client portal, and then you're able to offer help and support to your clients. Yeah. The next thing is under custom pages. I've customized my client portal. I've added a section called questions. I've created a very easy to use FAQ page on Lovable. And if I can show you, I've added this as an iframe. So this is the page that I created in Lovable. Uh, there you go. Very basic page. You can spin something up like this within minutes. And all I've done is I've embedded it here. Then I have also added an About Us page, which basically takes people to our company page, our so-called company page, right? This is just a demo. And for this, I've chosen the external URL type. And then for after payment, I can also take people to a thank you page. Yeah. So when my clients join in, they're supposed to see my branding, my support widget, and the custom pages that I've configured. And now I'll head over to client accounts, and I can just add a client by clicking on this, and I can configure what my client gets to see and what credentials they need to use to log into the client portal. So to save time, I already have a client portal configured here. Under client configurations, I've associated a specific agent. Antonio is associated with this client account. I have given them access to a phone number in my account. All of this has been synced from my VAPI account because I've added the VAPI keys. And I have also created a campaign, a sample campaign inside my VoiceAI pod, and I have added this to my client portal. So the idea is when they log in, they should be able to see all of this. And the last thing to do is to associate a billing plan. So my clients, as soon as they log into the client portal, they are prompted to add their card, and I can charge them for the service. So I'll go head over to products, and I can go ahead and add a product type of my choice. I've already done that and create a plan called a basic plan. So I'm going to head over to client accounts. I'm going to head over to the client that I've created, go to billing. I have this plan, and I'll click assign on client. When I click assign on client, this means that the client will be prompted to make a payment for this plan before they access my client portal. All right, so I'll go back to users, and we'll test this out live and check how this works. Yeah. So I'll log in as the actual user. I've created a client account. I'm going to log in here. Okay, there you go. So it's working as expected. I see that the client portal is on the domain that I've added. I see the logo that I've added, the company name that I added. I've added all of these assets, which I can now see on the client portal. I also have the support widget, which I added just in case my client have any questions before making a payment or after making a payment. And then now my client is asked for payment information before they start using my product. I'm going to use a test mode here. So I'm going to just fill out some dummy credit card information. Okay, I've filled in some dummy information. I'm going to hit subscribe. And once this is done, my client should land up inside my white label client portal. Okay, so there we go. All right, perfect. So the client lands up on this thank you page that I designed for them to land up on, which is great. Now, if they have any questions, they can click on questions, and it's going to load that FAQ page that I've created for them. And probably, I want to add a note here which tells them to head over to the dashboard right here. And when they head over to their dashboard, they now see their overall account activity. For a brand new client, this is going to be empty. In my case, I've added some dummy data, so you can see some stats here. So their account dashboard basically gives them the account overview, including their subscription details, their billing summary, and if they click on this, this is going to take them to the billing tab. They also see the overall stats in their account. This is very detailed, so this drills down on a lot of KPIs that you can track while making inbound calls or doing outbound calls. And then as I've configured earlier, my client gets to see these assistants that I've made visible on their account. We can either hide them or make them visible. All the phone numbers, I've given them access, so they can see the phone numbers, they can see the campaign. In my case, I haven't given my client access to create campaigns, so they don't see this activated. If you wish to, you can allow clients to create their own campaigns, and then they can go ahead and manage their billing right here. Yeah, they can also buy add-on packs in case you have created add-on packs for your clients. And should they need any help from you, they can just hit the support chat here and start chatting with you, or start talking with your AI agent. Or maybe you want to give them an option to schedule calls with you, they can do that as well. So it's completely up to you. Right, so this is how your client portal can look like inside voiceaiwrapper. And I hope this helps address the questions that we've been getting lately. Uh, Let me know if this video was helpful. Feel free to comment and ask questions, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next. Thank you, and look forward to meeting you on another video.